It's an explosion with a scientific purpose. On board the bus are prototypes of two competing security cameras being tested by the Department of Homeland Security to see which is better able to withstand the stresses of a catastrophic attack. To date, there have been no suicide bombings aboard America's public transportation system. But if an attack were to take place, authorities say they need to be as well prepared as possible.
So we're looking at the entire spectrum of how we can prevent and respond and mitigate the effects of a suicide bomber attack.
The challenge is to produce a camera chip that will retain a visual record of the attack in the moments before it takes place. Both cameras and their chips have already been blown up. Now they're being exposed to the kinds of temperatures generated by an explosion of diesel fuel, commonly used in most public buses.
We wanted to design something that could withstand a significant amount of shock, velocity, extreme temperature for a short period of time, and to be able to forensically pull off that information of the video of what had transpired up until the time of the event.
After 8 minutes at more than 950 degrees Celsius, the chips were examined to see if pre-programmed data had survived. The results are still being assessed. Michael Kuchu of Videology Incorporated says his cameras and their chips can be applied wherever there's a threat.
You could put them on embassies, you could have them in buses, you could have them, possibly even the Army could use them in situations in Iraq where they need to have a recording of what happened.
These tests are also about cost. There are similar systems already available and in use all over the world, but they are prohibitively expensive for widespread deployment. This next generation is aimed at providing maximum protection at minimal cost. Rob Muir, Reuters.